Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage Siri using your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. And by default we cannot use gesture to call Siri, so we need to add it. Open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the application, and you will see this menu. If you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add this earbuds to the application, we have videos at this channel. Now you need to scroll down and go to the gesture. Then you can add to call your voice assistant only for the press and hold. So select you wanna use the left or right earbud and then tap on it. I'm going to use the left one, but it's the same with the right one. Tap on it, and right here you need to select voice assistant. Now as you can see at the right, we also have voice assistant. So now we can hide the settings and let's check it. So right here at the left side of the left earbud we have touch area. It's the same with the right one, but it's on the right side. I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to put this earbud to my ear and then press and hold at the touch area. And as you can see, Siri awake, so it worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!